I'm gonna the palettes that I'm gonna use tonight. I'm gonna use this is called the Balm. It used to be in Sephora and now it's in Durain Reed by Walgreens. And I'm also going to use this brand, Cargo, C-A-R-G-O. This brand used to be, I believe, also in Sephora as well, and now is in the drugstores. Can you guys get excited about that? And drugstore makeup is taking over the industry, taking over, taking charge, doing a thing. So hey everybody, get excited, get excited. This is a strong and powerful Corinne making a mark that cannot be erased, changing the world one face at a time. Guess what? Get excited, get excited, get excited, get super, super, super excited. Thank you for tuning into my page. Stay tuned for the video. Get excited. I'm gonna take the burgundy out of the Balm palette, and I'm gonna use that in my crease area. I'm going to use that in my crease area. And I have to keep swiping the screen because I have to really see what I'm doing. And I'm just going to apply it in my crease from corner to corner, corner to corner. And you guys know I believe in doing simple, easy looks that everyone can copy and create them themselves. I can do dramatic makeup. That's not a problem. Yeah. So I'm going to use this palette. I'm going to use the blue. And I believe that this is the gold I'm going to use as well. I'm going to put the gold in the inner corner and the blue in the outer corner. And let's see how it works. Blue is, wow. Wow. It's pretty. Let's see how it's going to work now. So I'm just going to apply it halfway in the lid. And I'm patting it on. Oh, that is pretty. Look at that. Wow. 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 OMG. Look at that, Tawana. Wow. That is pretty. Oh my God. OMG. That is so pretty. What you guys think? Wow. Look at that. Look at that. That is pretty, right, Tawana? Oh my God. This blue is popping. And look at the pigment. I mean, it's really nice. I mean, you don't have to like constantly keep layering it. And I like that. So I'm going into I'm going into the Cargo where I got the blue from, but I'm going to use the gold right here in the inner corner. This blue is, ooh, I like it. Wow. This whole palette's popping. This thing is, Wow, wow, wow. Get excited, everybody. I work better on my left side because I'm left-handed. I thought this would be like a gold, but anyway. It's good. It is good. And I'm blending the gold into the blue so that the harsh line can vanish. Also, if you're just tuning in, I just finished doing a collaboration with some women, and it's called Beauty Over 40. And when I get off of this page, when I get off the video, I'm going to drop the information in the comment section. Go check them out. Go check out the Instagram page and the YouTube channels. And check out their makeup looks. Wow, this look good. Get excited. Get excited, get excited, get excited. Get super excited. Pretty. So I'm going to put some blue on the bottom. I should have put my liner on first, but that's okay. These lights, they get hot. Oh my God, they get so hot. That is so pretty. Oh my God. I'm going to put this on YouTube. I didn't know it was going to turn out like this. This blue is so pretty. I'm going to blend down that harsh line. Wow. 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 Yeah, cat eye, pull the face. See how I pulled the eye back? That's what I'm talking about. They call it wing eye, wing, cat eyes. Get excited. Look at that. What a difference. Wow. What a difference. What a difference. Don't let anybody talk you guys out of your dreams. Don't let anybody talk you out of your dreams. Whatever desire you have, whatever dream you have, go for it. Don't let anybody talk you out of your dreams and things that you want to do, especially if it's something that God gave you to do. Don't let anybody talk you out of it. No, no, no. Please don't. Live your dreams. Okay, folks? And people are saying life is too short. Life is not short. God promised us long life and a long drink of salvation. So don't let people tell you that life is short, because people don't realize they're shortening their lifespan when they say that life is short. It's right in the Bible. God promised us a long life and a long drink of salvation if we hold on to Him. So live life and live it abundantly. Just the one with the cheeks area, son. I put too much on that side. Just to warm up the cheeks. I have to come back and do the Patti LaBelle look. I'm going to go back into that, was it the Cargo or the Bomb? I think it was the Bomb, yeah, the Bomb palette. And they have that bronzer that I usually use, the Hot Mama, this one. This one right here. Don't get makeup all over yourself. Put some on my nose. Right here. Highlight, highlight, highlight. I'm highlighting. I'm putting it on my cheekbone area. Like so. And I am burning up hot. These lights. Get excited. Okay. I gotta set my face with this Avent Thermal Spring Water. This really hydrates the skin. Woo! Feels good too. All right, all right, all right, all right. Let's do it, folks. Let's do it. Yeah, I like that. I like that. I like that. I like that. Makes my lips fuller. I have flat lips. Put it on, Corinne. I always start with my left side because I'm just left-handed all the way. That was quick. I want to thank all my new followers on YouTube. And when I get to 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, I'm going to do a giveaway. What I'm going to give away, I don't know yet. But when I get there, I'm almost there. Almost there. Anyway, folks, it's been real. And like we said, beauty, I said, beauty over 40 collab. Beauty over 40 collab. Beauty over 40 collab. Have a blessed night, Tawana. Thank you so much for always supporting me. I truly appreciate it. I truly appreciate it. So next month we'll be doing another collaboration, and I will be dropping the information on my Facebook page and on my other social media pages as well. I'm only on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. And Twitter, I just post my videos on Twitter, yeah. So, but I will be dropping that information. Thank you for the hearts, folks. I will be dropping that information as soon as we get the date together on the next collaboration. So tell everybody you know, beauty over 40, making a mark that cannot be erased. Get excited, everybody. Get super excited. Get super excited. Get super excited. Get super, super excited. Stay encouraged, everyone. Don't be moved by what you see. Always be moved by the word of God. Don't let nobody take your dream away from you. Stay focused on what you want to do and what God wants you to do. And believe that something good is going to happen to you. No matter what the situation look like or the circumstances are, you winning. You're winning, folks. You're winning. I got to go. Until next time. Later. I'll talk to you guys soon. Have a blessed night. Get excited, everybody. Get super excited. Later, later, later. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up the video. Comment below. And on your way out, hit the bell button for notification. Until next time, have a wonderful, wonderful day. Get excited. Get super excited.